Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about differentiation. This is Calculus 1. This is intended for students who are majoring mathematics and freshman engineering students. So number 1, y is equal to 2 minus 3x minus 1 over x. The question is, find the first derivative. Take note, we have derivative of a constant with respect to x is equal to 0. Dx over dx equals 1. Note that y prime is equal to dy dx. So in this case, this will be y prime. Take note, this is constant. So this will be 0. And then this will be 3 dx over dx. And then this will be minus. This is quotient rule. Okay, quotient rule will be squared the denominator. Then copy the denominator, differentiate numerator. Derivative of 1 is 0 because that's constant. Then minus. Copy numerator, which is 1, and then differentiate denominator. So take note, dx over dx is equal to 1. So this will be 1. Close with bracket. So this will be minus 3 times 1. Then this will be 0. So I can use round brackets. This will be 0 and then minus 1 and then over x squared. So this will be minus 3 because I multiplied 3 by 1 and I have negative. And then take note, this will be minus 1 over x squared. So note that negative times negative. This will be y prime is equal to negative 3. Negative times negative, that will be positive 1 over x squared. So that's the answer for number 1. So let's proceed to number 2. Number 2, y is equal to 3x minus 1 over 2x plus 5. So take note, this is quotient. So we will use quotient rule. Or some school they say this is chain rule. Chain rule. Okay? So this will be y prime is equal to, okay, the rule is you have to square the denominator. Then copy denominator. Differentiate numerator. So 3 dx over dx, that will be 1. 3 times 1, so this will be 3. Then this will be 0. Then minus, I will use square brackets for the first group. Then another square brackets. Copy the numerator, 3x minus 1. Then differentiate denominator, so 2 dx over dx. So this will be 2 times 1. This will be 0 because this is constant. So I have here 2 because 2 times 1 is 2. Close with bracket. And then I need to simplify this one. This will be 6x. Then plus 15. Then close round brackets. Minus. This will be multiplied. Another round brackets. So this will be 6x. And then minus 2. Minus 2. Then all over by 2x plus 5 squared. Then simplify the numerator. So remove the round brackets. So this will be 6x plus 15. Distribute. This will be minus 6x. And then this will be plus 2. Then copy the denominator. 2x plus 5 squared. Okay, so I will write in here. This will be cross out. So I have sub 15 plus 2. That will be, okay, I will write in here. This will be y prime. Y prime equals 15 plus 2 is 17 over 2x plus 5 squared. So that's the answer for number 2. Now let's proceed to number 3. Number 3. 3t squared minus 2 square root of t. This will be, sorry, this is be x. I forgot to write x. X is equal to 3t squared minus 2 square root of t. Take note, I need to write this one exponential form. This will be 3t squared minus 2t raised to 1/2. So differentiate t prime, or take note, t prime or dx dt, the same. So this one will be multiply this one, because in differential calculus, exponent must be multiplied with the numerator coefficient. So this will be 2 times 3, 6. And then this one, n minus 1. So this will be 1. And then minus. This is product rule. So copy the first 2, the constant. And then differentiate the second. So I need to down the power. So this will be 1 over 2. And then I have to subtract the exponent. So this will be negative half, because 1 over 2 minus 1. Always n minus 1 in differential. So that will be minus half. And then derivative inside, that will be 1. Okay? I need to write the square brackets. Then plus. I will copy the second t raised to half, and then the derivative of a constant, that will be 0. So this will be 6t. This will be crossed out. So I have here minus t raised to negative half. This is 1. Okay, this one will be 0. So I have here 6t minus, index law will be, if we have negative 1, we can have now 1 over a to the positive 1. So in this case, I have 1 over square root of t. Okay, so for confusion, so I will do this one first, t raised to the power of half. And then this will be equal to x prime is equal to 60 minus, take note, if we write this one in radical form, so this will be square root of t. So that's the answer for number 3. Now the last number, number 4. Number 4 is y is equal to 1 over square root of x minus 2. So the same. This will be quotient rule. This will be square root of x minus 2 square. And then copy the new denominator, square root of x minus 2. Then derivative of the numerator, which is 0. Then minus. Copy numerator, differentiate denominator. So this will be half, because this is square root. And then I have here x minus 2 minus 1 over 2. Then derivative inside, dx over dx is equal to 1. So this will be 1. So this will be 0. So negative. So this will be negative 1 over 2 And then, since this is negative exponent, so this will be x minus 2 raised to half. And then over, okay, take note, square root will be crossed out, so this will be x minus 2. And then we have to simplify this one over 1. So, this will be negative half. Then, this exponential, so I will write in a radical form. This will be x minus 2 times reciprocal 1 over x minus 2. Okay. Take note, this is negative. So, I can have y prime. Y prime is equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay, add the exponent or the radical. This will be half plus 1. So, 1 plus half. So, this will be, LCD will be 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 1, that is 2. Plus 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 1, that is 1. So this will be 3 halves. So this will be x minus 2 raised to the 3 halves. So how do I write in radical form? So y prime is equal to negative 1 over 2. So this will be square root. And then this will be x minus 2 raised to the power of 3. So that's the answer for number 4. That's all.